The hall is full of women of courage, capability, compassion into the spirit of FLO motto. I'm really very happy to see a very colorful gathering here. I truly feel delighted to be a part of this powerful gathering that believes in power to empower. I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to all the members on the successful completion of the 20 years of the FLO Hyderabad. I also would like to congratulate Dr. Krishna Ella and Mrs. Suchitra Ella for the tremendous contribution and service in health industry. India is truly proud to have its indigenous vaccine thanks to the efforts of Srimati Suchitra and Dr. Krishna Ella. I am honored to honor this highly committed couple. I am really very proud when our friend Uma asked me to hand over the memento to the hands of Suchitra Ella and Krishna Ella. These are the hands going to receive the greatest award of Padma Bhushan on 28th, the highest award of our country. And I am very proud to be here. First, it is FICCI FLO. It is empowering women. So it's a women program. A women governor should attend it. And above all, it is the felicitation of Suchitra Ella and Krishna Ella. They are the dearest of our country during this pandemic. And when I visited their lab, Biotech, Bharath Biotech, initially not only as a governor, as a doctor, as a friend, the commitment which I saw in them and the commitment of the scientists, I believed definitely we will come out with the indigenous vaccine as early as possible, which was not dreamt about it. The whole world didn't dreamt about it. Nobody believed. Say, developing country like India will come out with vaccine. And I should congratulate, honor, and there are no words to congratulate them. There are some super words to compliment them because we are safe because of their vaccine. And I am very happy. No effort is without hurdles. Particularly the hurdles they faced. As a doctor, I know what are the phases, whether you have gone through the third phase, whether you have published, whether you had the endorsement, all the questions, whether they work it or not, whether they commit it or not, but we are very good in asking questions. So you will ask questions, whether you did that, this, how fast you can bring out, how research can be completed in a such quicker manner, how you can come through, pass through all these phases, whether you have done the phases correctly, whether you have completed it. So many questions. But as a doctor, not only as a governor, as a doctor, from the first day I visited their organization, I believed that definitely our country will have the first indigenous vaccine from the Bharath Biotech with the commitment of Mrs. Suchitra and Mrs. Krishna. It's not an ordinary job. As a doctor, I know when we were students, medical students, we were looking forward the foreign countries for the vaccines to be imported. They will complete all their process and they will complete all their vaccination drive and then only they will give it to us. Whether it is whatever may be but I should say now, whole world is looking for the vaccines from India, particularly not only corona vaccines, because they are having 140 global patents. It is not the first COVID vaccine. Why the country was very confident on them? Because they are having 140 global patents and they are having the wide product portfolio for more than 16 vaccines and registration in more than 116 countries. So we are very proud of you and really I am very happy because I visited their organization and they are more my friends than scientists because I feel very nearer to them. I used to say when I was a medical student, it is very difficult to convince the patients, people to get the vaccine. You are corona free because of vaccination, not because of anything. And another thing, we are safe. We crossed the third wave without any more casualties and without more hospital admissions, more ICU admissions, only because of vaccination. So hats off to Suchitra and Krishna for coming out with indigenous vaccine. We are so proud. We have administered more than 180 crore doses, not only 180 crore doses. We have exported for more than 150 countries, my vaccine. I am very proud as a medical doctor. I am standing here not only as an Indian who have taken the Indian vaccine, which is the pride of our country, which we are all dreaming about, what we were dreaming about during our medical days, medical student days. It is not easy job because the pain they went through for the recognition, even though the ICMR and our National Institute of Virology supported them. I can imagine first Bharath Biotech was not taken care. They were thinking, oh, how the whole concentration of the world and India was on other companies. But Bharath Biotech continuously, because of their commitment to this country, they made it, even though the concentration and the focus was not much on them in the initial days. But I could say when Krishna Ella was very furious when some doubts were raised on his vaccine, and the way he handled it, like a tiger, he roared and said, my vaccine is the best, and because of that our Honorable Prime Minister took vaccine. That is the vaccine endorsement they had for their vaccination. And really, because why I am telling all this as a doctor, when we come out with researches, when somebody is not accepting it, the pain and the commitment and the hours and the sweat and the, our efforts spent on it, when somebody is coming with some doubts, or whether it is that, or whether you have passed this phase, or when research is complete, or this, that, and the angry which we'll have, it is not the angry for themselves, it is the commitment that we should come out with good vaccine, a better vaccine to this country, and they should come out successfully with much more vaccines. It's a preventable, because as a doctor, I believe in preventing a disease than treating a disease. They are in the preventive mode. So I should laud them because they prevent more number of diseases. And I feel, because when I went to the organization, they said they will come out with drops also. Because when we came out with polio drops, the eradication was excellent. So when they come out with drops, and now I am very happy, our central government first gave the vaccine in phased manner. Everyone said, why over 61 medical professionals? It was meticulous planning. Now we have administered more than 180 crore doses, which is the largest vaccine drive in the world. And I'm really very happy to be a part of it. And I really no words to felicitate them. But anyhow, I'm really very happy to be here, and more laurels to come, I wish. And wish them all the best. My request to you, all the women here, please take care of your health also, not only pandemic, because as a doctor I have seen, I always narrate one small incident which I faced during my postgraduate days, because as postgraduates, I was a second year postgraduate student, so we wanted to bring awareness about breast cancer, uterine cancer to the women. Apart from celebrations, apart from enjoyment, please look after your health, do yoga, you do meditation, always be happy, don't compromise your happiness for anything, don't compromise your health also for your profession, for your family. Please be happy, be healthy. That is my message also. Thank you very much. I'm very thankful to you, to Uma, for calling me, and really very happy to be here, and no words to appreciate. Again, I'm telling Suchitra and Krishna, it's my pleasure to be here, and I wish them all the best. Because of you, the country is proud about you. Thank you.